Hey guys, Sam over at Westcott Designs. Today I'm just going to give you a quick video on helping you select which lift kit you need to buy for your 22 Tundras. Unfortunately, Toyota didn't really make it too easy this go around in determining which shock you have on your truck based off of the trim levels. There's a lot of different shocks you can have. We get a lot of questions every day on the phone on which lift kit that I as a customer need to purchase depending on which truck I have. So to make it quick and easy, I'm going to start off with the SR5 Tundras. If you have an SR5 Tundra, you have no special trim on the SR5 Tundra, it is going to be the first drop down on the drop down menu, which is the black Hitachi shock. Now on the SR5s, you can get it optioned with a TRD Sport package. It's pretty common on the SR5s. There's another option on that drop down for a TRD Sport red Bilstein shock. That's the one you're going to want to select. It's kind of rare to get a TRD off-road in SR5, but if it is a TRD off-road, there is another option for TRD off-road red Bilstein. They are different, the shock diameters are different, and the preload is different on both of those shocks, so please make sure you select the right one. Now, with the SR5s, it's very, very rare to have AVS air ride with an SR5 Tundra, but you can build them with that. If you have AVS air ride on your SR5, or even the Platinum, the Limited, or even the Capstone, what you're going to have to do is you're going to actually have to go to your front strut, your shock, and you're going to have to look at the sticker that's at the very bottom of that shock. On that sticker, there's going to be the brand, or I guess the manufacturer of that sticker of that shock. This is a Tokiko shock specifically. It can either be a Tokiko or a Hitachi. Now, like I said, focusing on the SR5, if you have air ride on the SR5 truck, you do have to verify which shock you have. On that drop-down menu, it's going to say AVS Air Ride Hitachi, or there's another one that says AVS Air Ride Tokiko. You make that selection based off of what you see on your truck. Now, stepping into the next trim, if you have a Limited Tundra, actually this doesn't go anywhere. If you have a Limited Tundra, 9 times out of 10, the Limited Tundras are going to come with a TRD off-road package. If that's the case, it's going to be the red Bilstein TRD off-road shock selection on the drop-down menu. Now, the Limiteds can come with AVS. It's only if they are not a TRD off-road package. If you have a TRD off-road, it does not have AVS. If you have AVS though, once again, you got to determine which shock you have in the truck. By doing that, you got to look at the sticker and determine which one you have, whether it's Tokiko or Hitachi. Now, on the Limiteds, it could also have no TRD off-road package, and it could have no AVS. If that's the case, it's going to be just the black Hitachi shock, same thing that you would get on a base SR5. Stepping into the Platinum, same exact thing as the Limiteds and the 1794s. They're all the same. They usually come with air ride. If it does, determine which shock you have to determine which kit you need. If it does not have AVS air ride, it's not going to have a TRD off-road package because it's a Platinum. It's going to have just the black Hitachi shock, nothing special. Same thing for the Capstones, exact same thing. 9 times out of 10, Capstone's going to have AVS air ride. If it doesn't, it's just the black Hitachi shock. Now, I think that about covers it. Shouldn't have anything else. Obviously, TRD Pro Tundra, we have a separate kit for that. It's a different selection on the website. If you have a TRD Pro Tundra, there is only one option for those. If you guys have any questions further after this video, please feel free to give us a call. We'll help you select which kit you need. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.